What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, this guy's on a road trip. I'm fixing a Honda EM650, and as you guys see right here, the rope is dangling, so that's normally not a good sign. Something could be busted up in there, but we're gonna find out. Now on this machine here, it looks like all we got to do is take off 2 Phillips. This inverter might be actually easy to repair this cord. Most Honda inverters are a pain in the back end. So we just remove that. We can just dangle the cord out like that, move this plastic aside, and now, yeah, look at this. Except it's weird, it looks like we got an 8 there, a 10 there, and a 10 there. So to get that out, we might have to do some finagling here. Hopefully we can just pull that out and look at it. Okay, now all we gotta do is take a 10 on the top. Switched on me. Let me double check, see. Yeah, that's an 8, just like I knew. That's annoying when they add 3 different bolts, or 2 different bolts. Bottom one down here. At least this isn't as bad as the Honda 2000s or the 2200 inverters. Those things suck. Got that bolt. Now we'll switch to the 8. Now here is where we might have to finagle a little bit. But we'll actually see about that here in a second. That bolt over there. I gotta get this washer out first. That's why I brought my needle nose. You know what? Actually, what I think I'm gonna do is, it looks like all I need to do, and I'm probably wrong, hopefully not. Oh geez, hang on, let me. Let me try to remove this silver piece. So after I just took off these 2 bolts, the plate doesn't remove, but I was able to loosen it up enough to get this where the 8mm was out, and then I was able to finagle it out. So now we're looking right here at our recoil, and now we're gonna figure out what, oh, I see what the problem is. It looks like it just wrapped around in there, you see. So let's pull it out. Give it a good twist. I'm gonna have to take it apart. So, easy thing we should do. All we gotta do is take this 8mm here and remove this nut. No, there it goes, it's starting to spin now. Has anyone else worked on this before?
My dad.
You might have put that on a little too tight.
Is that what the problem is?
I think so, man. Because as soon as I loosened it, it was able to spin. But I can't 100% confirm or deny that. Hopefully the spring doesn't come all crazy. Oh, it looks like it wants to. Oh, there it goes. Son of a bitch. Okay, I'm gonna have to re-string it because the rope went all up under here. So I'm just gonna let this slide out. That's gonna be a pain in the ass now. That's fine, but now I can get this rope out. So let me restring this up and put it all back together, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, let's talk about getting your recoil spring back in. Easiest method is start from the outside, put it in here, and just wrap it around on the inside. Just like this. That's all we're doing. You got to put some pressure down. And the main problem I found out just now with this generator, it was the recoil was way too long. It was about 4.5 feet when it should only be 3.5 feet. So I'm going to do this. It's easier with not filming, and then we're going to get it back in the machine. Okay, now that I got it in there, we're going to put our dog back on. Make sure we're putting it on the right way. And then we'll put the bolt back on and get it back in the machine. There we go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Now all I need to do is get this thing back in there. I need it out like this. So we're going to put this spacer back in. There we go. Now I'll go ahead and start with this 8mm here. And the main reason I'm doing that is because I already have the 8 on there. You know, work smarter, not harder. Line it up. I'm going to start these 2 10s before I tighten down that 8. In order to start this one, I need the socket on. Might as well just, since I got it in there, might as well just tighten up this 10 first, and then go that other 10 and go back to the 8. Right there. There. Actually, I'm going to put these 2 10s back here down that I used to loosen this frame. Pulling. That's what I care about. Let's tighten that 8. These clamp up here. One, 2 Phillips. Let's put it down and see what happens. On, choke on.